Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. Today in this video we're going to be unboxing the HBC 200W UFO High Bay. So this is the HBC 200W, and I removed some of the packaging, but it comes out of the box with the eye hook already installed. It's white, and we stock both 4000 and 5000K here in New Hampshire. And it is 200W standard, but you are able to adjust it to either 150 or 100W. And again, this is with a 100 to 277 volt input. Lumens per watt is 150. It's 15,000 to 30,000 lumens, and typically we're mounting these between 18 and 35 feet. The frosted lens here is a little unique. Most of our fixtures have a polycarbonate lens, but the frosted one gives it a little more glare reduction. We can also upgrade to different optics, like a 120 degree polycarb, 90 degree or 60 degree. So we can change that if needed. Eye hook's the standard mount, but we also have a pendant mount and a surface mount that are sold separately. We do a lot of warehouses with these, indoor sporting facilities, shops, pole barns. It's a 400W metal halide replacement, so if that's what you're swapping out, this is an ideal fixture. Listed with the current DLC, so it's eligible for lots of different rebates. It's IP65 rated, so if you do want to wash it down, that is completely fine. If you're interested in this product, please reach out to one of our lighting specialists, and we can get you a quote or a lighting plan or whatever it may be that you need.